What's up? Frozt back at you with another video. This one is we're gonna make mint tincture, fresh mint. Alright, yeah. Okay. We've added mint to a container. We're gonna add Everclear. 3.5 weeks. We're gonna shake once daily. Store in a cool, dark place while we make the tincture. The 3.5 weeks we're gonna wait. Store in a cool, dark place. We're gonna use Everclear, which is 190 proof alcohol. And then we're gonna strain when we're done. So let's go ahead and add the Everclear. Okay. We've added the Everclear. We've added it. We gotta make sure that most of the herb is submerged. We're gonna use 2 part herbs, 1 part Everclear. So we're gonna add some more. And we're gonna, usually we use a smaller container so that way it'd be in there, like stuffed in there. And this time we're gonna use an ounce of mint, like what's that? Looking at the measurements, it's 1/2 cup, 2 cup, about 1 1¼ cup of Everclear, about a cup of Everclear. I'm gonna take away, we're gonna consider that the herb is in there, so it's gonna increase the volume. Okay, now we're gonna add the top, shake it up, store in a cool, dark place, and give it 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. Yeah. So this is how we make a mint tincture. It starts off with absorbing the flavonoids. With time, it'll get the constituents of the mint. For those that don't know what flavonoids are, you can watch my other videos. But flavonoids are the taste, the chlorophyll. That's the stuff that makes the plant green. Chloroplast, chlorophyll. So we're gonna get that up out of there, and we're gonna add that while it's soaking. It gets inside the Everclear, and basically the plant becomes liquid. Most of the plant will remain green. When it does that, that means we didn't get all the flavonoids and all the constituents out based on how much fluid we have, or the type of fluid we have. So this is Everclear, which is an alcohol. Some constituents are water soluble, as well as or fat soluble or alcohol soluble. So we're not gonna get that. I'll get the alcohol stuff. Okay. We're gonna shake this once a day for 3.5 weeks, and we're gonna get the constituents out, and we can use that for a variety of things that mint can do with us, for us, to us. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna pack that down. Unpack that in there and make sure we get all that top goodies. When mint gets wet, it gets soggy, so it'll drop down in there. The bottom here will get soggy and break down. Then the top will follow while biodegrades. But we're gonna pack it in there so I can do all that stuff together. When it's done, we strain, add it to a container without the material in there, the mint material, and we're gonna be able to use it. After that, we dissolve, we evaporate the alcohol, so that way it's not alcoholic tasting or feeling, because we don't want the effects of alcohol in the tincture. But you can leave it. You can evaporate a little bit so it's not that strong, or you can leave it. You can mix it with something, do what you do. But for those that don't want the alcohol, evaporate the alcohol. Evaporate it, you can boil it down, but you have to have a room, a location where it's highly ventilated, because that alcohol stuff will get to your head and get to your body, and it's not good for you while it's evaporating. Okay, when it's fluid, it's okay. When it's in the air, gas, no mas. Okay.